Welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today I got something special going on. I got a couple of local buddies that showed up and we're going for a ride. This is a very rare Z. It's a slick top, right and drive, twin turbo. Original car. One of 600 ever made. Hear me out, guys. One of 600 ever made. This is some real money. I gotta ask you, how did you do this?
So I had the idea, I called up my vinyl rapper and I told him what I wanted to do. He's like, are you sure? I said, yeah, sure. He said, are you sure? Sure. I said, yeah, I'm sure.
They have a black F-150, purple Ram, 1500.
Well, that's your job, man. If not, it'll be a run for the money.
What do you got done in that?
Nothing. All I got is the boost controller, fuel management, injectors, bigger injectors, 555s, and that's it.
Yeah, you're around 450. Yeah.
That's it.
You're fine.
And I turn up the boost to about 10 to 12 PSI.
That's it?
That's it.
9.5 is stock.
I know. I just turned it up just to, give me a little bit more, you know what I mean?
I have been running on 16.
You've been running on 16? But then your motor can take it though.
No, it's stock.
Well, I'm stock turbos too. I'm looking to change this year. This winter, turbos are coming out. There's a lot of stuff I need to do. My racket pinion's pissing. My diffs just started leaking the other day too.
Longer gear ratio, which is shorter.
Yeah.
Alright, so you will be out of the hole fast. You're gonna lose on the top speed, but
I kind of like the top speed. I like when I'm in.
No, when I say top speed,
fucking rockets.
When I say top speed, I'm talking about instead of 260, you'll be like 235.
Oh, that's fine. I don't care about that.
Yeah, but you'll be out of the hole faster. First, second, third gear, it's a different freaking car.
Third gear already in this car is a monster.
I'm sure it is.
It's a fucking beast. Yeah.
I'm surprised the tire you're running.
Well, yeah, man, I got those for free. So I'm like, fucking,
you're gonna burn it up?
I'm gonna run them. I don't give a fuck. Free tires, I can't argue. Brand spanking new.
They're the best. They are the absolute
tire you can
best.
get under the sun is a free tire. I'm running Evergreens.
Evergreens, a Chinese brand.
Yep.
Damn good quality.
Just at the petrol station in case.
I used to work at a tire shop.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Stupid me, I stepped on this hole. Like, out of everything in this place, I had to step on this hole.
There's a few of them. They're post holes.
Well, at least you know he can find the hole pretty easily.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh my god.
How the hell did you fit friggin' guys in that hole?
When it doesn't fit, spit on it.
There you go.
Oh man, the view is freaking amazing. That's all right, man. That is an absolute gorgeous looking field.
I got it.
Yeah, it's been an awesome day so far.
This means this is going to be.
Let's try to grab the table before it gets taken.
These tacos are running 14.5 pounds of booze. Beautiful. No problem. It doesn't lean out.
That's what I'm worried about. I'm worried about mine leaning out.
Yeah, they lean out just a tiny bit because they're at their maximum.
Yeah.
But it's enough for.
So you're running 14 and a half? You're running 14 and a half?
Yeah.
Shoot, I'm
boost-
running
boost
12
controller.
and the car's starting to get scary.
Yeah, it's scary. Even if you put 10,
It's fast.
yeah, the car pulls.
Fast.
Stock setup, do not pass.
Really?
Plus it's chip too. Like it has a Japanese chip in it. I'm not sure what.
Why is that?
All it takes is one spike and your injectors are already at maximum capacity. You lean out, engine's gone. That's Romel about blowing his engine.
Leaning out,
And
eh?
I could keep going on and on and on. Don't pass 12
So
on stock.
what do you recommend?
Upgrade to 740cc injector. If you're going for power, upgrade to 740cc injectors. You'll run a little bit rich, but you will never have an engine problem. Right? And you want to be at 70% of capacity.
Because I know
I'm running at 85 right now.
I know I do I go to the 100% unicycle.
Yeah.
Because a lot of the time I'm at 60 psi.
Different engine.
Yeah.
No, not here on my Z.
Oh, you have a Z2?
Yeah, I got two Zs.
No, I didn't know that.
You're staying? Yeah, I'm going straight down, Karel. I appreciate it.
You got those
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was nice meeting you.
Sure, I saw them.
Nice meeting you, and hopefully see you guys very soon.
Yeah, well, you're in the group now. You'll hear the madness.
Thank you.
Did you receive the e-transfer?
I think I did.
Yeah,
I didn't check yet.
Yeah, okay. I sent
It's
it. What do they-
automatic. It'll be there.
Oh, it's automatic deposit or whatever?
Sunshades.
It's Sunshade. I think that's what it is.
Yeah, told you all. Why don't you just get a real car?
This is just as good. What are you talking about? You get no sun with it at all.
Just get the roof.
Nice to meet you.
Majority
sir.
rules.
meet
There
you.
you go.
Thank you so much.
Guys, they got problems. They got holes in the top of your car. Let's go. Right behind you, Brian.
Oh, what a day. You know, these guys are phenomenal. They're very friendly, and I'm excited for the next run we're going to have. Oh, it was a wonderful day. It was a wonderful day. This is literally the first cruise after the quarantine and whatnot. We're still going through quarantine, but you know what? It has been an absolute pleasure. You all are gems, man. You all are gems. Thank you for making it to the end. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and a lot more shenanigans are coming in.